Introducing Toohak, an app that unifies hybrid learning. In the post-COVID world, the new norm forces students to switch between physical and online classes depending on the severity of the disease, disjointing their learning experience. So to facilitate hybrid learning, we've built an app to increase engagement amongst teachers and students. We'll be mainly targeting primary and secondary school students since their main mode of learning is physical lessons, so they may find it harder to adjust. They also tend to have a lot more school-wide events like Racial Harmony Day that can benefit greatly from higher engagement. Compared to those beyond secondary school, older students are often comfortable with hybrid learning as online materials are used to supplement lessons. So, how will a student use Toohak to answer quizzes? After logging in, the student can easily access any quiz they've been added to and start earning points. They can also view their leaderboards for the top students and teams in their school, which will only reset after some time as dictated by the school. Now we'll see how does a teacher create new quizzes. Using an admin account, the teacher will see the classes that they are teaching. Going to a class will allow him to create a new quiz from a few options such as multiple choice questions or even an information slide. These quizzes will then be viewable by all the students that are taking this class. Unfortunately, due to time constraints, we did not manage to implement all the quiz components that we want, such as discussion questions and even physical activity checklists. So we'll be showing a Figma mockup instead of the planned features at the end. So you might wonder, how is this useful for hybrid learning? Imagine you're a physics teacher. Situations may change suddenly, and so you need to prepare lessons for both physical and online modes. For both physical and online lessons, you can easily engage small groups of students using the discussion quiz or make lessons more exciting using a short MCQ quiz. However, say you're in charge of a science fair in school. To motivate your students to participate in activities, you can create a physical activities checklist for your students to gain points and have fun. On the other hand, if students are forced online, you can allow them to submit their lab results through an open-ended quiz. Lastly, here are some ways that we can improve on our product. Mainly, we'll be looking at implementing some of the features that we have originally planned, such as the physical activities checklist and the discussion questions, as will be shown here. Beyond that, features such as modularization and even video conferencing features will basically make our product rival against giants such as Zoom and Microsoft Teams, while still offering quite an interesting niche.